Good morning, student. Today we start our fifth main part of chapter first, French Revolution, the abolition of slavery. Slavery was the first abolished by the Jacobin government in 1794. This is the most important work of the Jacobin government to abolish slavery. Abolish means slavery को दास्ता के बंधन से मुक्त कर देना. The colonies in Caribbeans like in Martinique, Guadeloupe and Saint Domingo were important supplier of the commodities such as tobacco, indigo, sugar and coffee. European countries, especially France also depend on according to this type of commodities such as tobacco, indigo, sugar and coffees totally depend on these Caribbean countries. The European did not like to go these distant places, therefore there arise the shortage of labor on this plantation. Two main reasons European not go this type of distant place. First, European peoples not aware about the geographical way of this land. Second, in Europe, especially in France, start industry revolution. Most of worker also start work in different industry. So plantation owner also face shortage of labor. So this was met by a triangular slave trade between Europe, Africa and Americas. So European countries start a slave trade between three different part, Europe, Africa and America. The merchant sailed from the port of Bordeaux and Nantes to the African coast where they bought the slave from local merchant. In France, two main port. These two main port also involve slave trades with African coast. After they were branded and shackled and shipped to be Caribbeans. After they purchase this slave, they also branded. उनको पंच किया जाता है and shackled, बेड़ियों में जकड़कर and shipped to the Caribbeans और Caribbean sea से उनको ट्रेड के लिए भेज दिया जाता है. There they were sold to the plantation owner. उसके बाद उनको plantation owner को सेल करते हैं and there they were to exploited by the plantation owner to meet their production need, and plantation owner also do work. This kind of a person involved in different kind of plantation work like sugar, coffee and another different work also. After a long debate in Assembly of France, finally in 1794 slave was abolished to extend its law of equality to all the humans, but it was very short-lived. After a long debate before 1794 in France, because before 1794 we also were about in France 1791 form a new government, but in this government voting right also given to only rich section of the society. So France government also dominated by rich member, and this rich member also involved in slave trade. So rich member not willing to abolish of slavery. In 1793 student you also aware about form a new government, and this government Jacobin government also is a government of poor peoples. So in 1794 finally Jacobin government also abolished slavery in France colonies. After 10 years, only Napoleon reintroduced slavery. After 10 years, in 1804, Napoleon again reintroduced slavery in France colonies. Later on, the plantation owner too understood that they too are the humans and they should be given freedom, and finally in 1848 slavery was abolished in France colony. Finally, owner of this plantation, they also understood about the freedom of human beings, and finally they abolished the slavery in 1848 in different part of France colonies.